This is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi, then at the search bar type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. In my case, it even says download Fortnite, so that's exactly that we were looking for. So wait until the web page gets loaded, then confirm the download. Onwards, launch the file. In here, as you can see, prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we grant Google Chrome the install unknown apps access or permission. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. Then confirm the installation. Wait until it gets installed. Open. Then in front of a Fortnite game over here, you will need to tap at the Get button and then click at the Install button at the Fortnite's game page. Now we will have to simply wait for it to download all the necessary and install all the necessary files, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and launch the Fortnite, and in here you'll just have to simply wait, one more time, and, wait and get all those updates and resources downloaded, and then you will be able to start finally playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.